Today we're diving into Qatar's ambitious plan for a total digital transformation.
So how does a whole country go digital? We've got to start with a really clear vision.
It's called the Digital Agenda 2030. Think of it as the master plan for a smarter, connected Qatar.
And hey, this didn't happen overnight. It's been in the works for decades, building on past progress.
Okay, so what does this actually look like in the real world? Let's start with the government itself.
A perfect example of this in action is what's happening over at Qatar Post.
They've automated their entire workflow. From scanning documents to real-time reports, it's all digital.
And the result? A massive 60% boost in efficiency, all thanks to autonomous robots.
But all this cool tech is pretty useless without skilled people to run it, right?
So to tackle that, Qatar launched a national standard for digital skills.
It breaks learning down into 4 simple levels, from just knowing the basics to becoming an innovator.
And it's comprehensive, covering key areas like AI, data analytics, and, of course, cybersecurity.
Okay, so what tools are they actually using to pull all this off?
It's all about swapping old manual work for new tools that make everything faster and smarter.
You've got tools like Teams for collaboration and the Power Platform to automate the really tricky stuff.
Now for a super important part, security. You can't go digital without locking everything down. Key players like the National Cybersecurity Agency are there to make sure everyone follows the rules.
And these aren't just any rules. They're based on global standards, protecting everything from banks to personal data.
The most important thing to remember is that this blueprint isn't set in stone. It's always evolving.
Qatar's journey is a fascinating model for any nation. So what do you think is next?